There are two crucial things that you need to know about this toilet bath before you spend your money on it. I'm gonna talk about those two things in just a second. First, let's talk about the features and how to actually use this thing. One of the nice things about this thing is it is collapsible, and the collapsibility is due to this rubber right here on the side walls of the toilet bath. It is a really heavy duty and well-built mechanism that allows you to expand this. It's a little bit difficult to push, but that's good. So once you push it, it is pretty deep. So that rubber piece opens up quite a bit. Once you have that rubber piece opened up, you can set this aside just like this, and we need to assemble the actual rinsing hose. In order to assemble the rinsing hose, we just pop open this, or pop off this nozzle right here, and then we run the rinse hose through the backside here and we put on the rinse nozzle right here and run it down to the bottom of the bath right there. It has a little suction cup and there's a little slot right there for the hose to go into, and then you can pull the excess hose out of the bath right there, and that's all ready to go. So then all we have to do is place the seat, the bath onto the underneath the toilet seat, and then the toilet seat will go down on top of the bath just like that. Now, one of those things that you do need to know is that it does not fit with my bidet. So if you do have a bidet attachment on your toilet, you're gonna need to remove that in order to use this, or use it on a different toilet. We use it on a different toilet, but the lighting was better in here to demonstrate how to put this thing together. So that's why it's not fitting exactly right. So now all we have to do is put some water in here, and in order to rinse, we use this bulb right here, and we'll put some water in, and then it will actually spray up. And it is a gentle spray, much gentler than a bidet. That's the purpose of these things. And now cleaning is a huge deal because you want to make sure you get this thing really clean. So what you're going to do is you're going to, first off, you're going to have a bunch of water in here. So the first thing you're going to do is you're just going to keep that edge on the toilet, and you're just going to tip it back so that the water drains out those back holes right there. Once all the water is drained out, or most of the water is drained out, then you can take this and we'll just empty it into the bathtub or the shower. Next thing is you're going to want to detach your hose and clean it really well. So we'll take that out of there just like that. Of course, clean that, do whatever. I usually rinse it in the shower. And once it's rinsed in the shower, just let it dry in the bathtub. Once we have this detached, we want to put the nozzle back on, and then I put it under hot, clean water, and I just pump this. And what that does is it sucks clean water into the hose and pumps it out. And you can kind of rotate it like that so the water goes in and out. But I just do that probably 20 times so that I can clean this out as much as possible. And then I hang this hose up in the bathtub with the bulb up, so that all the rest of the water can drain out of the hose, and it can hopefully dry up and not be too dirty. So my friends, this has been super helpful for us for multiple reasons. I hope this video has been helpful in deciding whether or not this collapsible Sitz bath is right for you. Thank you so much for watching. Peace, everybody.